Hello YouTube, this is Sneeuwolf. A time back I bought this Rolleicord. And yeah, it's a nice camera, a bit old one. I think it's something like 80 or 90 years old. I didn't really use it that much because I'm not really into this kind of cameras, but I like to shoot photo negatives. And to do that, you need a camera. And already I have a 4x5 and 8x10 camera, large format. But I thought, no, let's give it a try. There are some other YouTubers who use this kind of cameras, so I bought one for cheap. This one still functions. So you can do that. You can just open this kind of cameras. I think it's called a twin reflex camera. And you can put a little piece of photographic paper here in a dark bag, then lock it up, focus of course, and take a picture. So that's a possibility, but you can only take one picture at a time, and that's really limiting. That's very slow. I found out that a long time ago people already had a solution for this. Namely, they made a special back for this kind of cameras, so they can shoot just like large format. They can shoot with film holders like this one here. So they made a little back here. Just replace this back with this one, and it allows you to take one shot with this film holder, and then with the other film holders you can take additional shots. So then you don't need a dark bag and or changing bag, and you can just keep on taking pictures. And I was very happy buying this, but then I found out that actually these things, and you will see it, they are meant for, what's this one doing? They are meant for taking pictures with little pieces of glass. See, there's a little spring back there, and I didn't know that, so I thought it would be useless to use with photographic paper. But as it turns out, I saw another YouTuber in his blog, and he used this this system to take pictures with photographic paper. So if you just turn the key here, this one pops out, and then you can just slide in a piece of photographic paper like so. You can lock it up again, close off the dark slide, then you can insert it in this back. Hey, I never done this before. I'm just going to give it a try right now. That's why I'm showing you guys. Ooh, it's really hard work, so must be doing something wrong. It's not easy to get in. Voila, it's inserted, locked. And then what's happening, actually, you just pull the dark slide out. Don't know, I think you need to take it out completely. Then you just press the key, and normally this one will press, this piece will press against the back here. We'll press against this. You can take a shot. Afterwards you retract the key, voila, and put in the dark slide again. Then you can take this one out. I don't think it's meant to be this slow. Oh no, it's a bit cumbersome. It's not that easy as I expected. So anyway, ooh, that snagged a bit somewhere. That's not good. Anyway, you take it out, and then I can insert another one. Maybe this one will be going in a bit more smooth. No, definitely not smooth. Take the shots. You also can take this one out. Well, that's how it works. And then you might be wondering, how can you focus? There is no focusing screen. Well, there is in fact a focusing screen. I think it's this little one. Here's the focusing screen. This focusing screen works really well. It's a very sharp image. It's really, yeah, a very nice camera. It's like a large format camera, but in mini size. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.